Hi everyone, Sharon here, Tarot Sphere 25. So I don't really give you too much backstory, and I don't know, maybe that's to a fault, whatever, but I will say today I don't think it's ever been used before. So the lid was stuck. That's cool. All right. I love my country. My father served in the Korean War in the Air Force and also in the Coast Guard. He is buried at Arlington Cemetery with double honors. I will stand for the values of this country. I will not stand for now, the rest that's going on with FELON 45, and I will not call him my president. I think he's disgusting. I can't use that word for him. I don't stand for mafia-based behavior. I don't stand for liars. I don't stand for bullies. I don't stand for thievery. Our country was better than this trailer trash, disgusting filth FELON 45 has brought in and has been a part of since the 80s, since he became a Russian agent. Ask yourself, do you want your daughters, your aunts, your sisters to look like the Stepford Trump machine? You want that plasticness, or do you want real, human, I'm not supporting what's going on, and I'm going to hang in there with my country till my country comes back to us. It will not be stolen. It won't. Thanks for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. If you've just popped in and you're popping out, whatever. Like, chill. Who cares? to the United States of the Americas. There's more to the Americas, okay? Fuck. I'm gonna bell this out.